This date and tamarind chutney is a combination of sweet, sour, tangy, and spicy. It can be enjoyed as a dipping sauce, condiment, as a dressing for various chaat. So let's start making this delicious chutney. In a medium pot, add oil, and once oil is hot, turn the flame to low. Then add salt, ginger powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, garam masala, black Himalayan salt, and roasted cumin powder. And roast everything around 10 seconds or until it is aromatic. Add little water to ensure all spices evenly cooked and stop the roasting process. Then add tamarind pulp water. I have soaked tamarind pulp into hot water for an hour, then strained it nicely. Then add soaked and pitted dates. Soak dates for an hour. Once they are soft, remove seeds. Then add jaggery and cook it on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until it thickens a bit. If you want this chutney to be exactly like a restaurant style, add a pinch of red-orange food color into it to enhance its luscious appeal. Or if not, just simply omit it. Then turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then blend it with the help of hand blender or use a mixer jar. Here is the tasty multi-purpose chutney is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.